Here at Berkeley Pharma Tech, we actively pursue biotechnological research with topics ranging from immune-boosting microbiome to sustainable farming. In this talk, we'd like to feature some of our most promising and potentially marketable research projects. Let's start with a study of immune-boosting microbes. As seen by the far-reaching effects of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, a strong immune system is a must within a world of rapidly increasing threats. As people get older, they tend to suffer from immune deficiencies and increased susceptibility to a variety of contagious diseases. To strengthen the overall immune response, our team is researching the human microbiome, which is composed of many different types of microorganisms and their potential in inducing key immune functions, including boosting immune cell production, eliminating harmful pathogens entering the system, and maintaining our overall health. With so many people at severe risk of life-threatening diseases, we aim to find evidence about the benefits of the microbiome and create a solution for individuals with a compromised immune system. Now let's discuss another research project started just this year, namely the Carbon Capture Project. Our goal for this project is to study the potential environmental benefits of microbes and carbon sequestration, which is the process of capturing and storing greenhouse carbon dioxide trapped in the atmosphere. Our project leader is Andrew Albert. Andrew is a graduate student completing a master's degree in biotechnology, enterprise, and entrepreneurship at Johns Hopkins University. Scientists currently estimate that global temperatures are expected to rise by more than 1.5 degrees Celsius by the end of 2033, the tipping point for mitigating the most damaging effects of climate change. At the current rate of pollution and energy use, attempts to decrease the rate of emission will not be impactful enough in combating the rapidly growing issue of climate change. More importantly, modern agricultural practices have contributed significantly to those CO2 emissions. All the while damaging soil that released water and CO2 into the environment. So while global efforts to reduce energy use and utilize cleaner forms of energy and fuel are still incredibly important, we also need to focus on ways to develop more sustainable farming practices that can sequester CO2 through natural and engineered techniques. Andrew and his team are intensively examining the scientific literature to better understanding the underlying mechanisms driving carbon capture, striving to identify which studied formulations offer the greatest promise. Recently, they've been able to find multiple studies that analyze the impact of sequestration by enriching test soil with different inoculants. Now, the team is working to identify connections between the research studies to arrive at an understanding of the mechanisms and dynamics between soil, plants, microbes, and the supporting climates. Through the extensive meta-analysis, our researchers intend to discover a novel formulation with the potential to capture carbon more efficiently than current solutions and develop it for agricultural usage. Last but not least, let's discuss the work of another important Berkeley Pharma Tech research team, the Gut-Brain Axis team, which focuses on major issues many women experience over the span of their lifetime. It is estimated that 1.2 billion women worldwide will be menopausal or postmenopausal by the year 2030. Postmenopausal women have estrogen levels that significantly decrease over time and can leave them more susceptible to various health problems, including increased risk of cardiovascular events, memory loss, and decreased bone density. This research project focuses on harnessing the human microbiome to help regulate the estrogen levels, ultimately creating a new therapy that would provide relief to women worldwide who are dealing with issues of aging. Needless to say, these are just some of the various research topics that Berkeley Pharma Tech currently sponsors, and we pride ourselves on always innovating and creating advances in biotechnology to address the needs of our global community and our planet. Thank you for listening.